Hello. Okay, so basically we're having some drama with my camera and my SD card, so we're gonna just use my phone to record the mukbang today. So better quality incoming, but for now we're gonna just stick with iPhone quality. So this is our chicken mukbang. We kind of showed this off already, but we're gonna do this one more time.
Don't forget the gloves.
Don't forget the gloves.
Never.
This is basically what we ordered. It's like a half and half original crispy chicken and then like a secret spicy crispy chicken. They look really good. We're really hungry. And then we also have onion rings. Yay! And then
Never.
we also have radishes, which is like a typical Korean side dish that I spilled a little bit of on our chicken. I'm so dumb.
Juicy chicken.
Okay. So I'm gonna get started and eat because I'm hungry. So hungry.
This is take 3.
I know, this is take 3.
Okay.
Stay tuned for next mukbang though.
Ooh.
We have some big things planned.
It's gonna be good. Oh baby.
That looks so good.
Oh, this looks really good. Check that out.
Bow, bow, bow.
Ow.
Ow, ow. Alright, and then this is, I chose a wing. It's little drumsticks. Alright, a drumette is what it's called.
Drummy.
Alright.
Little drummy.
Oh my god, we've been thinking about Korean fried chicken for so long. Cheers. Oh my god.
Mmm. Oh.
You had to go off camera to do that.
Oh, broke a sweat.
I know,
How
it's
good
kinda
it
hot
is.
in the car.
Oh my gosh.
This is so good.
That's really
The
good.
original flavor has like a little bit of a kick. It's not like spicy, but it's like it's got
Like,
a little kick to it.
Look at how juicy that is.
Mm-hmm.
It just.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Alright. Usually when we eat together, if it's really good like this,
We're
we
not
kind of
talking.
just sit in silence. Wow.
So, if you're wondering why we're wearing gloves, Korean people just tend to wear gloves while eating chicken. Keeps your hands clean. Okay, I'm gonna move this. And like keeps your hands more clean. It's just a little more sanitary. Not that there's anything wrong with eating chicken with just your bare hands, but you know, sometimes you don't want the sauce. You don't want this sauce. How was yours?
That's so good. You
Okay.
can tell because I'm not talking.
I know. Okay.
So-
time for the. Oh no.
No, that was good. So, okay. So I think if you hold it here and here,
I could
and turn
clean
it
it.
the other way, I think you can like
It's so
pull it
hot
down
though.
and then just clean it.
Okay. Oh! Okay. We got it. I did it!
Go team.
This is how you're supposed to eat chicken bones, you guys. Clean. Clean off.
I honestly didn't start eating the cartilage and stuff like before like you and I started eating chicken together. And then to cleanse the palate, a little bit of
Little cube of
a
radish.
little bright out, but you
Me.
know what I mean. That's really good.
It like doesn't taste like anything.
But it
But
tastes
it's
like something.
It tastes like something. It's like kind of sour. It just tastes like kimchi that's not spicy, which is what it basically is. Kind of.
And never forget the bev.
Never forget the
Never,
beverage.
never. A little cheers. Got a little
Cheers,
Coke.
you.
Never.
Oh, that's so good. Okay, I really want to try the spicy wings. Okay, I might be able to clean this one again. Okay, here we go. It's a flat. I think I can do it. It is so good. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. I don't actually know what this is. It looks like a nugget, but I definitely feel the bone in there. Don't know necessarily how to eat that guy, but
Might be a flat.
mmm.
Oh, it's a drum mat.
It's really good. It's like saucy, but it's also still like super crispy.
Yeah. And it's not spicy.
It's not that bad. Like take the radishes and then drink a little bit of the like water.
The brine.
That's actually not bad. It just tastes like a liquid form of the radishes, which would make sense. I go college good. I go college good. No, I don't go college good.
No, not anymore.
I'm done with college.
I know. We're adults, kind of. Except I'm unemployed.
No. She's full-time streamer. Like and subscribe and follow below to support your local streamer, Mystic Alley. Oh god, that was so unfortunate.
And the chicken, you guys. Look at like the sauce. Look at the sauciness and the meatiness. There's so much meat. I like onion rings.
Onion ring.
It's crunchy.
That's really nice. It's like a fine wine, except it's an onion ring.
Except it's fried. It's deep fried. This is exactly how we act. This is 100% how our food date nights go.
What is this? Oh.
That was the end piece of my flat. That was the end piece of my flat. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this one though. I don't even know what this piece is.
You see this? I think that's just a
That's just meat,
thick
isn't it?
piece of meat. It goes.
Oh my god, it literally just like rips apart. I'm not like fully trusting and biting into this because I think there's like bits of bones. Just being careful. Is it all meat actually? Nice. For me? Oh my god.
It's just a full bite of meat. It's just straight meat.
Wow. Wait.
Yeah.
Where's the bone?
I think it's like right here. But that's it. I don't know.
Like this is a piece of bone. Koreans know how to do chicken best. You want to tell them what we're doing next week, or do we tell them, or do we make it a surprise?
I think you guys should stay tuned for the next video to know what we're gonna eat. So it's a surprise. That was not pretty, but it sure tasted good.
Do you need help?
No.
Yeah, you do got this. You're just better.
No, my fingers aren't going anywhere. It's because my hands got sweaty.
I know. When my hands get sweaty, they're like stuck. Oh yeah, your hands are sweaty. Okay, you got it?
Yes, thank you. That is the finest bubbly of all.
It is.
Cerritos.
Yeah,
No, not
screw
Cerritos.
champagne.
Where are we?
Cyprus.
Cyprus.
Oh my gosh, I think this is all.
Chicken? if you get 1,000 followers.
Oh yeah. So I don't know if you guys noticed on stream yesterday, but I added this thing called spicy noodles. If I get to 1,000 followers on Twitch, then I'm gonna do the spicy noodle challenge live for you guys. I'm gonna do the carbonara spicy noodles because it's my favorite, and it's also like pretty spicy. Like it does like make me go like. So yeah, 1,000 followers. Stay tuned. I'm really confused as to what I'm eating.
I don't know, but
Something's sticking out.
the radish juices on the chicken were a good call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of dank. This is so good.
That's insane.
Like eating it fresh too.
It does hit different. So which one do you like
That
better?
could have killed me. I think I like these just because I like saucier or like chicken with like sauces. You check on yourself.
Why, yes. Yes, I do.
Selling
we'll
for
say-
$1,000.
She beat me to it.
Here, sippy. See, like now I can like roam freely. My hands are all super clean because we gloved up.
Honestly, you know, this would like be taken to the next level if we had beer. Like a nice little Sapporo or shoot, what's it called?
Modelo.
Modelo would be good, but also Tiger beer would be good. I kind of like the seasoning on this. I feel like this actually has more of a kick than this one.
Yeah, I think that one's a little bit spicier. This one's like sweet and spicy, so it's like it balances out. Oh my god, my hands are so sweaty in here. I haven't taken this glove off once.
Mine haven't come off either.
Oh. We only have 3 pieces of chicken left out of a lot. I will be eating more radish.
I know, they're just so refreshing.
Oh my god. You need to try Korean radishes, like the side dish. It is so good. It is so superior. Like it it's like super refreshing, especially after eating like a what happened?
It's a ring with no onion.
Oh, no way.
Oh wait, no, there it is. Wait. Huh? Yeah. Ooh, I had so much sauce on my lips. Who needs lipsticks when you got chicken?
After eating a lot of food or like eating like a meal, what are you doing?
I'm feeling goofy. Anyways, proceed.
Do you have like?
Do you ever like?
Stop. Have like phlegm in your throat and you have to like, like you have to like clear it. So next week is our mukbang is gonna be a surprise, but
your hint is that there will be more radishes.
There will be more
but
radishes.
They will be yellow.
They will be yellow.
And
there's gonna be beer. Those are the 2 hints.
Oh yeah.
The location. Caleb is finishing off the radishes. I'm okay.
Thank God. Just kidding.
I'm so full. But stay tuned for next week.
And we actually made a jingle for this. It's the end of the week. No, I'm just...
It's gonna go with you.
Oh yeah. It's the end of the week. A long fu week. A long fu weekend.
And
Thank you.
thank you. Bye.